Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to be organizing, redecorating and making some DIYs for our room. And so yes, this video is going to be like all over the place because we don't know what to do, because we have to organize, do stuff like that, make DIYs
maybe you
and
guys
stuff like
will
that.
enjoy the video, and hope you guys will like it. And
yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, we have to introduce you to a new member of our room, which is this plant right here. So this is new, and we love a palm tree, and
yes, it's like,
so
I don't know what plant
we
it is,
didn't have like any greenery in our room, and as you guys know that greenery is a basic thing that you have to have in your room, whether your room is like pink, boho, or everything like that. We have like pink slash boho slash modern, like so much themes going on in our room, so we decided to get a new plant for here. So this is my side table area, and I got like this plant, and it looks so beautiful. I don't know like for how many days it will going to be surviving, but for now it is good to go. As you guys can see, it is pretty like long, and the leaves are so cute, as well as the plant. So yes, other than that, this is my side table, and it is pretty dirty, as well as like pretty like basic, and there's nothing going on, so we have to like redecorate this area of my room, like of our room too. So let's see what we do with this area right here. So let's just first decorate this area, I guess. What should we do, like decorate this area first or everything else? But I think we might have to like decorate this area first, so let's go and decorate.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks
so guys, the nightstand is just done, and the weather is just so much like changing.
yes,
it's
like
really cloudy, so I don't even know if you can see us like clearly or not, or the lighting is good or not. But anyways,
we're gonna make this video because we have to. So.
And when this video will be like going up, the room tour will be also like up. So
already, I guess so.
So the room tour will be already there, so you can go and watch that if you haven't. So yes, let's just do other stuff because we have so much to do.
Too much, the people will be like
so dizzy. So we have to like do our room, like other stuff like that, so we have to show you guys another thing that is there, which is this chandelier. So you guys can see this is a really nice.
Wait a minute,
let me just set the exposure because why not. So yes, you guys can see now this is how the chandelier looks like.
Showing everything else. Okay, yes, we are going to.
So this is how the chandelier looks like. This is like made up of like cane material. So now we have to probably do the other side of the room, like that area right there, my sister's side table.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
So guys, we have like this rope which is white colored, and this is a really nice like thick kind of rope. So we got it to make like this kind of a DIY, which is from Pinterest, and we didn't want to make a video about this like DIYs, and specifically
because it is like totally inspired by.
Yes, it is inspired by Pinterest. Someone else had like this idea. This is not our original one, so we decided to like make it in this kind of video. So yes, we'll be making it. So let me take you guys to bring the yarn. So we need these yarns, and yes, we're gonna take it, and some scissors. This is our crafting drawer, if anyone is wondering. So yeah.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah.
So guys, and now as you guys can see, we have like these 4 of like rainbow circles, so you guys can see they are like this on the end, so you have to like cut it in the like same size at the end so that they can fray like this. So you guys can see how this is. And now we are going to be using these like yarns and wrapping it around like these strings, but we have to like paint the golden one because we don't have like a golden string or something like that, so we have to do that. So you guys, we are finally done with the DIY and it looks pretty nice and we are satisfied with how it looks. It was so hard to like wrap these yarns around this like rope, so but we accidentally made a mistake that we actually made this one shorter a little bit. Yes. So yes, that is that, but like it looks pretty nice. And now we are so tired, but anyways we have to like do other stuff, so we cannot rest right now. So that is how it looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. Another thing that we want to show you guys is that we got a new pair of bed sheets, and guess what, the design is like so cute because it is simple light. And we also got some like pillowcases. Yes, and now what we are thinking to do with this pillowcase is the like these leaves and these prints that are on it, we have to like make it a little bit of coppery. So yes, that is what we are thinking. So, and we are also thinking to add some tassels at the side with the yarn, so we're just good luck for that. These yarns, I am thinking of adding these tassels, like so bright colors, and so let's just see what happens. And yes,
you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves to say. All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V.
So you guys, we just did the pillows, and you guys can see they look so cute. And this is how the pillow looks like, and this is how the cover looks like without the pillow. And they look so cute, especially these tassels. And yes, so mom helped us attach these tassels because we are useless people. We don't know how to do it. So yes, other things are that this looks like this, and you guys can see it looks so good in boho. So at least we tried to make it good, but this thing right here was not looking good because of our mistake. But anyways, we have to like attach this, so let's just take nail and hammer and just attach.
Now we're going to be using this hammer and the nail that I just lost, and I don't know where it is right now. So you all, as you guys can see, we did our like pillows, the macrame kind of thing, rainbow, you can say that. And now we are like so tired because we spend all of our day just doing these things, and now we are like, someone help, like help us kind of thingy going on. So now we have to do the prints, and we're gonna do the prints, and you guys will like to see the montage, I guess. So the thing with the prints is that we are going to be like rearranging them. First they were in a collage kind of thing, and now we're going to be rearranging them. So yes, so that was the update that we wanted to give you guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her.
So guys, I'm wearing a carpet right now. So beautiful, so nice.
Our whole mirror looks so bad. It looks like someone has
like shame on you. Shame on you. You guys cannot even like clean a mirror. You guys will say that to us. Trust us, like we are going to be cleaning this mirror just after we will put this mat. So I wanted to give you guys a rolling footage of this, but I cannot just do anything because our camera is dying. So I'm gonna put the mat right here, and half of it is going to be going under this table right here.
So you guys know how we are doing it. So bye.
So guys, we are back. The carpet is just ready to go and rock and roll. Anyways, we are so tired right now that we have to like end this vlog right here, and maybe we'll shoot
but
we
will
will show you guys what this thing looks like. So let me show you guys. So this is how the mat looks like, and the area right here. So yes, this is how it looks like. Zoom in, zoom out. So yes, that is how it looks. I think it looks pretty perfect. So guys, these things aside, our camera battery is almost like dying, so we have to like go. And that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below because it means a lot to us. Each one of you matters a lot to us, so thank you so much if you'll just hit that subscribe button, and if you already had, just humble. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel. And yes, that was it. So bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.